Yes, good morning, everyone. I hope you are able to hear me and you are able to watch my screen. So, any doubts on the last class, what we discussed about the technology, what is cloud, different cloud applications which we have, what is Oracle Cloud, and what are different tools and products are available in Oracle Cloud. In that, what we are going to learn, Oracle Fusion Applications, ERP software. So what is fusion applications? Different domains in fusion applications. And in that, we are going to learn HCM, human capital management. In HCM, different modules. What modules we are going to learn, and other options like what are different jobs we will see in this fusion applications, functional and technical. So this is all we have come up here. Today we are going for second demo. So today we are going for complete practical oriented, how the application looks like and how to perform couple of setups and how to test it, couple of applications. That's what we are going to do. So now client is asking you to hire one employee here. And after hiring an employee for a particular location, and go for create new location. New location means nothing but a new branch. New location is nothing but a new branch. And move the employee from current location to another new location. It's nothing but indirectly transfer an employee for future date. We want transfer an employee for future date, not immediately. From 1st August 2026 onwards, employee should work in the new location. And after transfer this, again you have to test whether the transfer has done successfully or not. And for this employee, whatever we hired for this employee, whether user account is created or not. That's what we wanted to test. This is an assignment we are going to take. Hiring process, transfer process, and also creating the logins, nothing but a security for the employee. Okay, let's log into the applications. Let me just log out here and show you how we can log in. Enter the URL. When we are working in the applications, in the real time also we'll see the same URL. And we are connecting to the Oracle Cloud and directly the server, Oracle servers. As I said, data centers will be established, right? This is what our Fusion applications here. Fusion applications over here. Okay. Whenever we log into the applications, I see two menus here. Right side user menu, right side user menu, setup and maintenance. Here only we are going to do complete our setups and configurations. When we are working in the real time, 80% of our work will be here only, setup and maintenance. As a functional consultant, what is our responsibility in the project is the software is given by Oracle client. Now, client is giving the requirement that we have to gather, get approval, and then do the configurations. That's what we call it as setup and maintenance. We also call it as admin activities. Okay, go to setup and maintenance here. Okay, here we can see the list of modules, finance modules, supply chain management, field service, human capital management. Okay, here we see all. You can also see the list over here. It is here also. I can see, go to actions menu, go to offerings, different domains which we have in Fusion applications, ERP software. Here also we find this. Here I see the list. Financial, sales, student management. Student management is used to maintain the universities. If you wanted to go ahead with the universities also, it will be used here. And the public sector, nothing but government, municipalities, corporations, police station, lawyers, public sector, planning and zoning. Okay. Permits, risk management, sales, supply chain, these all services, recruiting, this all. Then where is finance is there, marketing is there, order management, nothing but sales modules, we see all. Then where is human capital management? Human capital management is a combination of three modules. It's a combination of three modules. One is compensation management. One is compensation management. Another one is workforce deployment. Workforce deployment. Another one is workforce development. This three is nothing but human capital management. Workforce means employees. Hundreds, thousands, lakhs of employees, will call them as a workforce. Group of employees. Workforce deployment, development means maintaining their skills information, their careers information and all. Deployment means maintain their payroll, salaries, time and sheet and all this. And compensation management means their compensate benefits. This is all we find here it is. So this three we call it as a human capital management. When if we see that here, we will find compensation management, workforce deployment, workforce development. These three combination. Workforce deployment means I can see the modules, payroll module, benefits module, options module, time and labor module. For yesterday class we discussed, right? Different modules in human capital management. This. Okay. Now we will go for perform this particular assignment. This is just an environment what we have seen here. So right now what we want to do is we wanted to go for hire an employee first. So if we want to hire an employee, go to navigator, left side, navigator menu, my client groups, new person. New person means indirectly new employee. Person, employee, worker, all are same. All are indirectly employees. All are indirectly employees only over here. Go to new person. Hire an employee. Hire an employee. Here we are going to enter the employee details. Whenever we are hiring an employee, we'll go for enter employee identification details first. Nothing but employee date of birth. Employee, legal employer, nothing but a company. Nothing but a company. And other details here. And then employee person information, nothing but employee details here. And employment information. Employment information. Employment information. Nothing but which branch employee is working, department, location, who is the manager, grade, and other details. And employee compensation and other information, nothing but employee salary, salary details. And then we are going to have the review of the employee details, review of employee details, and finally we are going to go for close it. Okay, let me hire an employee. You can hire an employee for past date or current date or future date also. Let me hire an employee here. I'm hiring an employee for US1 legal entity, nothing but a US1 branch, US1 legal entity. But client will ask you their company name here, their company name they will ask. So that we have to configure. Okay, this is testing data. This is existing. This is existing detail, seeded information. Okay. Now let's go for enter the employee personal details. Employee number. Person number is nothing but employee number. Enter employee number. Employee names. Rajesh. Good. Date of birth. These are additional fields. Employee project name. Welcome kit. Office type. This all are. And the national identification number. You already said that your company is there in US. Legal employer is in US. Then it will ask you social security number. If it is India, it will ask you the Aadhaar card number. The social security. Click next button. We have to enter employee person details like employee home address, phone details, email details, legislative information, then employee citizenship, passport details, employee visas and permits, and employee contacts, father, mother, sister, and other details we will find here it is. If we want to capture employee contact information, we can capture it from here. Only home address is mandate. Remaining all are optional. You can enter here home address. Next button. We'll go for capture employee branch. Which branch employee is working? US1 business unit. means which branch employee is working, which position employee is working. Let's say you are hiring clerk, and which job grade, okay, and then grade ladder, but the position of this employee grade, and then department, which department employee is working, location, whether employee is a manager or not. Do you want to assign the manager for this employee? A lot of options are there, all are very, very important. I'm assigning the manager here for this employee. Who is the manager? I want to assign one more manager. This is the line manager. I want to assign another HR manager or resource manager. Go for select. Seasonal manager. We captured all the details. Hit next button. Salary details here. Salary information we are going to capture in case you want to capture what is the employee salary here. Annual salary. Let's say $60,000. $5,000. Any other compensation expenses information to solve here. So finally, review all these details. Submit. This is how we will go for hire an employee. Do we hire employees in the real time? Yes. But actually, hiring employees is a HR department responsibility, right? So there will be an HR department, there will be a recruiters, there will be a HR managers who will take care of that, right? Then why we are going to hire an employee as a software engineer is, for example, we configure the product. We have done the complete setups like enterprise, workforce, and everything. We have done it. So once we configure all this, obviously we are supposed to test before we deliver to the client. Before we deliver to the client, we are supposed to test it. Okay, we are supposed to test. So when you are going to test, if there is any problem, then we are supposed to clarify it. Then we are supposed to clarify over here test. This is testing. Now we hired an employee successfully. Let me check whether employee hired done successfully or not. Again, go to the navigator, my client groups, person management, and person number. We see this Rajesh Gupta is employee. Yes. Okay. So this is employee number and employee name Rajesh Gupta. He has joined in this company on 1st January 2026 as clerk, and is working for this branch, and his position details are this, and manager details. Line manager is this person, regional manager is this person, and we see all the information. Currently, where is working? Employee is working in Redwood City. Redwood City. Current employee is working in Redwood City. Now, what client is telling that I'm going to open a new branch. Now, hiring employee has done successfully. Now, we are going to start another branch. That's a new branch, and I want to transfer this employee to that new branch. And also, I want to make him as a manager. There, I want to make him as a manager. So we want to create a new location and new job. Client will tell us how many locations, how many jobs are required. Okay. Now we need to configure. We need to create these locations and jobs, and then we have to transfer. Let's see how we will go for create a location as well as the job. We will go for create a location as well as the job. Let's go to setup and maintenance here. Setup and maintenance. Here we go for create a location. Just you have to enter location and search. Sorry, spelling mistake. Manage locations. This is for searching existing locations. Manage locations. I'm creating new location here. Let's say our company is a Heritage, right? It is New York sales location. Okay. New location we are going to create. New York sales location. Address. Is all our address details. And location is language specific. Official language American English. Click review button. Click submit. So client is telling that I started a business in new location and we have created location. Again, while creating the location, there are some securities. So that we will be discussing with the client, and I have done it here, but we don't need to go for worry about now. Here it is. Now we got location. Now this is what the location here is. Okay, New York location. In this location, I'm going to create one branch. One job. So we are going to create a new job here. Just enter the word called job and go for create a job. There will be hundreds of locations, hundreds of jobs, positions, grades, and all. We are supposed to configure all this here, and we'll be doing it actually. So let's go for create a job. Here it is. I'm giving the job name here. Where it is manage. But all fields are important. We are not discussing all these fields at this point of time because when we are talking about the concept, we'll go for in detail each field and functionality. Here is job. So we created new location as well as the new job. Yes. Both setups are done. So we have done two setups here, location as well as setup. But when we are working a particular module, global HR module, there will be hundreds of setups we are supposed to do, and we are supposed to take care of the dependency. Just now we created location directly and created job directly. But whenever we are going to have the module wise setups, there will be a sequence like master object, child objects, like that. We have to go one by one setups implementation here. Okay. So we have done here new location and job successfully here. Okay. So now I want to test whether I'm able to transfer my employee to this particular new location and new job or not. The transfer date also we wanted to do it for the future date, 1st August 2026. We wanted to do it for future date, 1st August 2026. Okay. So now let me go to Navigator. We already hired an employee, right? Hiring process is already done successfully. And if I go to person management, I can search my employee. What's the employee number? Just 11135577. This. I want to transfer this employee. Go to update. So here, edit, update, edit, update, edit, update. From which date you wanted to transfer this employee? From August 1st. August 1st. Why you are transferring an employee? There is some requirement. We are doing this transfer action because there is some manager request or location change. What is the reason? Internal recruitment. Just sometimes client will say, I don't want these options or I need these options, but additionally also I required some more reasons here so that I can select when I'm doing some transaction. Here it is. work request reorganization. Okay, now press. Scroll down. What is the location? Which location you are going to do? Here it is, right? You are supposed to get your locations. We already done the setup, right? Now I am able to see the value here. Location. Hundreds of locations. We have to create whatever client is required. Same departments, grade ladder, jobs, positions, business units, person types. This is all we have to configure. Categories. Okay. This is all. So location we have done. One more is job also. Job. Heritage manager is the job and a heritage New York sales location. So these are different we have done. Transfer, we are going to do it here. Now let's click in review. What changes you have done? Let's review here. Now I see that here current value and proposed value here. This is your current value and this is your proposed value. Earlier employee was working as a clerk, is going to be as a manager. From which date? August 1st. From August 1st, he is going to be manager. That is job. How about the location? Yes. Currently, employee is working in Redwood City, and we have proposed for New York. Submit. This is how we do the transfer, employee transfers. Again, different types of transfers we have. Like transfer is there, temporary assignment, global transfer, global temporary assignment, add assignment, end assignment. Those all we have to discuss, right? Yes, we are done. We have done successfully. Transfer action, the new location, and to the new job. To the new location and to the new job we have done. Yeah. It's clear everybody how to do this here. Next, we want to test this entire functionality, whether it's done it or not. Now go to person management. And today, employee is working. I am searching as of today, what is employee status? Today, 6th May 2026. Employee is working in Redwood City. Okay, today functionality. And what is the job? Clerk. Job is clerk here. But we have done the transfer, right? We did transfer. So what's the date for transfer? The transfer is from August 1st. August 1st. August 1st, I want to see what is this employee status. See this? From August 1st onwards, employee will be working in this location. In this location. An employee job will be heritage manager. Employee job will be heritage manager, and click on this. Now I see this click button, view history. History of this employee. Employee joined in this company. Need employee joined, and what's the employee joining was 1st January 2026. And August 1st onwards, location and job got changed. And this is transfer happened. This is the history. I want to see only the transfer, what are all the attributes got changed. Now click on this view all attributes. And see that here details. Job got changed earlier, clerk now heritage manager. This is all attributes. I don't want to see all the columns, just only the changed attributes. Only two attributes got changed, right? One is job, another one is location. Just see that. I don't want remaining information. You can see that employee job got changed, employee location. Old value is this and new value is this. Yeah, it's clear everybody how to do this transfer and testing. During these transfers, they'll go for rise some issues. And if there is any issue, they says that I'm not able to find the job, or I'm not able to find the location, or when I'm doing it, it is asking for approval procedure and all. Then approval has got struck up or workflow got rejected, notifications are not received. This is all we are going to check. That's our support project issues. Okay. Now I want to check the employee has got user account or not, so that employee can log in and start working. What is this employee job? Clerk. Right now is a manager. Right now, his job is a manager. Earlier he was a clerk, now he's a manager. Right? So I wanted to check the user account is created or not. Because if employee is having username and password, then only employee can log in and start working, right? That's what. Tools menu, security console. So security console is an environment where we manage the user's information as well as the roles information. Both will go for manage it. Go to users, search for the task. Rajesh Gupta. No. Sir, employee name. UPTH. Dot Rajesh. That's the user. Last name dot first name. Now this is user. This is employee number, employee name, manager, job, business unit, and all we have here. Let me reset the password so that we can log in with this username. Let me log out from the current user and log in with the new. Now employee is able to log in here, Rajesh Gupta, and you will be able to perform whatever the roles you assigned. Okay. So right now we have done this assignment. Like this, hundreds of assignment we will be doing it in the modules. This is what actually the work. We have done some setups, we have done some transactions, then we have done some testing and given access to our client here. It's clear, everybody. If you say I'm interested on this, I'm able to understand what you are doing, then you are 100% fit for this particular course and you can easily understand. Okay. Any doubts here now? Next. So the version of Oracle Fusion ERP, everybody should use the latest version only. Go to user menu of these applications. There is no chance that I will use the old version because this is a cloud. This is a cloud provided by Oracle. So straight away, we are going to get from Oracle company. Server access directly we will get from Oracle. Across the world, everybody should use same server, same version. Okay. So as I said, this particular software introduced in 2014. 2014 it is introduced. Release 7 version. Then we got release 8, 9, 10. Every year we used to have one version. 10, 11, 12, 13. In release 13 they stopped. Release 13 released release name is always release 13 from 2018. From 2018 always release 13. From there onwards, every year quarterly they updated 18A, 18B, 18C, and 18D. 18 means year 2018. Then we got 19. Now we are in 26. Every quarter, the product will be updated. Every quarter, the product will be updated. Right now, we are in May, right? Till June end. Next month end, 26B. July 1st, we'll get 26C. July 1st or July 1st week, we see 26C. Then 26D, October. Then next year, 27A, first quarter, 27B, 27C. It's a continuation. All over the world, every client has to get update automatically. Otherwise, Oracle will do the updation. Oracle will automatically update your product. Okay, automatically will update your product. You don't need to worry about that. Let's say we are learning right now, which version we are learning, 26B. Let's say we are going to complete the course end of the July or August first week. You are putting the resume in August first week. Which version? Which version we are going to work? We are going to work with the 26C. That's what you have to say. 26C. That's what you have to say. Let's say you are applying for the jobs in October, November, December. Then it will be 26D. It will be 26D. Yeah, that's what you have to tell the version. Every version, whatever the new changes are there, that you are supposed to check. What are the changes we got? We have to verify. What are the changes we got that we have to verify? And we have to go ahead with the updates. Definitely they'll ask you. Of course, we are also going to learn that in our application. Yeah, any doubts here? We have done the second assignment today, which is our options. Here it is. So we are going ahead for third demo. Third demo we will discuss tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be our final demonstration, and we are going to talk about the detailed syllabus of our course, and then training process, and what are different opportunities we have in applications. We are going to see the practically how many jobs are there, how is job market, how we have to prepare to get placed, how we do the placement process here. Is all. And we'll also talk about the AI agents, different AI agent studio process, how the AI is going to be impacted in our applications. We also take one more assignment tomorrow. We take another assignment tomorrow, how to hire, as well as update the manager, terminate an employee, and again rehire employee for future dates. So these topics we are going to discuss tomorrow. So that's going to be our agenda for tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Tell me. You can unmute yourself and ask me the doubts.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
In light of rise of AI and losing the jobs, and how far this AI impact forthcoming jobs is our greatest doubt, sir.
Definitely, there will be an impact on the application. But if AI is going to be there and it's going to give the product for the customers with the less price, definitely there will be a more customers. There will be more customers, more work, additional things will be there. See, 10 years back, what was the client was doing? Whenever client want to maintain their software, they used to buy the software, they used to buy the servers, they used to recruit the DBAs, admin, network, security, technical, and functional. This was the process in 2010, around 15 years back, if any client wanted to maintain. Then companies came to then the cloud companies has given that cloud option to the customer, saying that why you maintain the server because it is expensive, and why you are going to install the software, it's taking time. Again, you need to recruit the DBAs 24 by 7. Why you need this much of resource, right? And why you are putting $100 expenditure within $20-30 you can complete your software. That's why we are introducing the cloud. Introduced the cloud around 15 years back in 2010, 11, 12. These companies have started the services. That time people analyzed that, okay, we may lose some jobs and all, because these companies has established data centers, servers are ready, softwares are ready, testing is already done. Just you have to pay the money and connect the cloud and log in, start working. Earlier it was not like that. Before 2010, if any client want to use the software, first they have to get the licensed software from the company. Second, they have to buy the server. Third, they recruit the DBAs. Then installation. That itself will take 10-15 days time. Applying the
Mm,
patches, upgradations, migrations.
mm,
So these are.
mm,
So after cloud was introduced in 2012 and 13, many of other customers, many of other clients felt that, okay, it is very easy. Why don't we move into the cloud environment? And people have started moving to the cloud, and you got more customers and more work. And they felt that it's a cheap, very less price. Earlier, $100 for maintaining of our digital information, but it is just now $20-25 only we are getting. Means 70% of amount your budget is getting saved. So then many customers we got last 10 years, if you see the cloud impact and number of jobs, but these jobs were not there. This last 10 years, these jobs are almost closed. But new jobs, the names has changed. Names has changed. Cloud architect, cloud security, cloud admin person, and other functional technical integrations and other. Obviously, it's the same thing when there is an AI tomorrow. Definitely, that is going to be a different. There might be some slight. When you say that because of AI, my business got easy and when business got more options, then another customer will come. There will be more customers, right? Yeah.
in how many years are our I mean, Oracle Fusion jobs are going to be replaced, sir, with
No, no
AI?
question of replace. No,
Oh,
no question of see what is AI. It will be used to do the work when you go for initiation, right?
mm,
See, AI will do that. Artificial intelligence will give you the input. For example, if you want to do some, just now we have done the configuration of the location and job, right?
okay.
The setup we have done.
Mm,
Without giving the information to the application, whether the AI will do it, no, right?
no, no.
Hmm. So the same thing here. Only the time will be saved. That's all. So that we will be discussing tomorrow when we are talking about the AI studio in the cloud. What is responsibility? How it will work?
Well, okay,
Hi,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, I just wanted to ask you if after the completion of this training, approximately how long does it take to get placed? I mean, what is the success rate of placement for a fresher?
For freshers, little bit less opportunities. And I cannot confirm the approximate time, but it depends. Some people has got within 1 month, some people got within 2-3 months. So we cannot give the approximate date, but what we can say is whatever the training we have given, it will be around 50 working hours. If you are perfect theoretically and practically, definitely you are getting placed.
All right, sir. And one
Yeah.
more thing, will you provide any certification after course completion?
Yes, we are going to give the certification saying that you have completed the training 3 months in our RTL. And if required internship training also, we are going to give saying that you have done 3 months internship in our company, which is located in High-Tech City. And you will be able to see that, no problem.
Okay, so thank you.
Yeah. Okay, fine, guys. Thank you. Let's see you tomorrow. And this video also, you will see it in the YouTube channel in another 1 hour. Okay, so tomorrow is going to be our final session as demos. And day after tomorrow onwards, regular classes will be started. Any doubts you would like to ask, that you can note it down, and tomorrow we'll be discussing. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Let's see you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.